Thank you for watching this video about Reiki and to understand what is Reiki. So, what is Reiki? Reiki is an ancient energetic healing practice that offers powerful benefits to the body, mind, and soul. Reiki enhances well-being and promotes relaxation and balance in life. Reiki is a holistic approach that has been used for thousands of years in traditional Japanese medicine and has become increasingly popular in the West as a therapeutic tool. What does the word Reiki mean? The word Reiki comes from two Japanese words, Rei meaning universal life energy, and Ki meaning energy flow. How long has Reiki been in practice? Reiki is an ancient spiritual practice that has been around for centuries. Reiki is said to be a holistic healing technique that works on the body's energy system to bring balance and harmony in the mind, body, and spirit. What are the benefits of a Reiki session? Reiki provides many healing benefits such as relaxation and stress relief, pain reduction, mental clarity and emotional well-being. Cedar City and St. George, Utah have many experienced Reiki practitioners who specialize in healing through energy work and are dedicated to helping people experience profound healing powers of this modality. These local Southern Utah Reiki practitioners believe that all healing starts from within to help individuals reach a state of inner peace by connecting them with their true selves through Reiki therapy sessions. What should I expect during a Southern Utah Reiki session? During these Reiki sessions, clients are able to experience deep relaxation and access the powerful inner resources of their bodies as they receive healing energies from the universe. How do I schedule a Reiki session in Southern Utah? It's simple to schedule a Reiki session in Cedar City, St. George and surrounding areas of Southern Utah to reduce stress, increase relaxation, align with healing and to optimize your life's experiences to promote healing and your overall well-being. Simply click the link below to schedule your one-on-one or family Reiki session in Southern Utah to begin, or continue your healing process, will come to you. Why would I want to schedule a Southern Utah Reiki appointment today? Southern Utah Reiki sessions can focus on anything you choose. Physical, mental and emotional ailments, ancestral trauma, energy blocks to prosperity, as well as spiritual growth, shadow work, connection to your higher self and relationship with others. Get creative. How do I receive the beneficial energies from my Southern Utah Reiki practitioner? Your Southern Utah Reiki practitioners use their hands to deliver energy to your body, improving the flow and balance of your life force energy to support healing from within. Can I schedule a Reiki session in Southern Utah today? Yes. Cedar City, St. George and surrounding areas in Southern Utah have experienced Reiki practitioners who specialize in providing this unique form of healing to those in the Southern Utah area, and you can schedule your Southern Utah Reiki session today. What to expect if this is my first Southern Utah Reiki session? The benefits of Reiki are numerous and include improved overall health and well-being, reduction of stress levels and increased relaxation. Since your Reiki session works on all levels, physical, emotional, mental and spiritual, to promote self-healing from within, expect to experience something completely new and surrender to the experiences that your Southern Utah Reiki practitioner offers. How many Southern Utah Reiki sessions will I need to schedule for me or my family members? With regular treatments from a certified Reiki practitioner in Southern Utah, individuals and family members can experience profound effects such as greater clarity of mind, deep relaxation, aligned connection to their optimal life experiences and improved focus. After your Southern Utah Reiki session, you and your practitioner will have an opportunity to integrate the lessons and energies from your Reiki session and create a follow-up plan so you'll know exactly how many sessions would be beneficial for you and your family's healing journey. What's the first step to securing a Southern Utah Reiki session? Simply click the link below to schedule your one-on-one or family Reiki session in Southern Utah to begin, or continue your healing process, will come to you. Thank you for watching this video on what is Reiki and for scheduling your Southern Utah Reiki session. Before you go, please like this video, subscribe to this channel to help the word get out about our Southern Utah Reiki practitioners and their services, and remember to comment below and introduce yourself. We look forward to meeting you soon.